Good morning friends, welcome back. So we were studying about the biodiversity and today's topic is the taxonomical categories. So in the last time we have a recap like what the biodiversity is. It is the science of the different kind of living organism. Bio means living and diversity means different kind. So different kind of living organism are present in the nature. Millions of plant, animal and other species, the other organisms are present in the nature. So we have classified, we have studied about they have been classified based on the category, similarities and differences. So up to here we have already studied, and there is a science which deals with the study of nomenclature and identification, nomenclature and classification of living organism, that is called as systematics or the taxonomy. Actually, this, if we will see the name of the taxonomy term was derived from a word, Latin word, that is taxis. What the meaning of taxis? Taxis means it is order or arrangement. We are arranging the things, we are ordering the things according to a particular sequence. So in that, the basic category, that one of the important term is there, like what are the different taxonomical categories. So different taxonomical categories are what? They are the order or arrangement or the hierarchy of steps. The taxonomical categories are the hierarchy of different steps. So what are the different steps? Each and every steps are representing the rank of categories, like different ranks. What are the different ranks? The unit of classification, like taxons, that rank or taxon it is called it. So what are the different units of classification? If we will see the different categories like kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus and species. These are the different their categories, their different steps. So these steps has been how they have been sequence. So hierarchy, it is clear from the name. Hierarchy means the sequence of the categories, or it is in increasing or decreasing order. Categorization means the different types of different ranks we have provided. So the taxonomical hierarchy, what actually is, if we have understood, then it is very simple. This naming is very simple. It is clear from the name. Taxonomical, what the taxis means order or arrangement. Hierarchy is what? It's a gradual, it's a stepwise study, we can say that. It is the categorization of sequencing of the different thing in either ascending order or descending order, either in increasing order or in decreasing order, either from top to bottom or from bottom to top. So which one is the highest order, which is the lowest order of the which is the highest rank, which is the lowest rank. So this is dealing the taxonomical hierarchy. It is clear from the name. Taxonomical means arrangement and hierarchy means in the sequence. If we will study about the different ranks of the taxonomical categories or the different categories of the taxonomy, these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 basic categories are there. The first one, which is the topmost, we consider the highest category, is the kingdom. The entire taxonomical categories has been divided into, the entire taxonomy can be studied in 7 categories. What are the different categories? Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus and species. So what is the meaning of this one? We will come to later on. First we have to remember this sequence. The sequencing, it is from the top order to the bottom order written, from the highest level to the lowest category, from the highest category of the classification to the lowest category of the classification. The highest category of the taxonomical classification is what? Kingdom, and lowest is species. We have to remember this is in sequence. The K is the 1, P is the C, like I am remembering like that. KPC of GS, KPC of GS, KPC of GS. K for kingdom, P for phylum, C for class, O for order, F for phylum, G for genus, and S for species. What these are, we will come later on. First, we will remember what these, how they have been arranged, because in various examination they are asking what is the systematic arrangement of these taxonomical categories. What are the correct order of these taxonomical categories from top to bottom or bottom to top. So if we are going from top to bottom, means from highest level of organization or to the lowest level, or highest level of category, highest category to the lowest category. The highest one is the kingdom, then phylum, then order, class, then order, then family, then genus, and then species. Species is the lowest order of taxonomical category, and it is also, this species is also called as unit of classification. It is also known as unit of classification. Classification, big CATI, because this is the lowest one. Like C, now I'm giving the example, and you will easily understand what the kingdom is, phylum is, like that. So the entire living organism has been classified, suppose, into plant and animals. If we are looking around us, either we are seeing plant or animal. Okay, so this is the topmost category. So this one is the, okay, two kingdoms are there, suppose plant kingdom and animal kingdom. We are saying, okay, two kingdoms are there, which is the topmost. Acha, in the plant, so many categories are there. Different phylums are there, different. Acha, here one thing I wanted to clear. The second rank of classification is phylum or division. The term phylum we are using for plants, and division we are using, the term phylum we are using for animals, and division we are using for plants, like phylum Chordata, phylum Coelenterata, Nematohelminthes, Chordata, etc. Different now classes are there. Again we will categorize. Suppose animals I am going to classify, so it will be very easy for you. Terms we will use later on. We are studying in a simple way. So kingdom, animal kingdom, we all are animal. Phylum, we have certain characteristics based on, we have categorized into, like we have the backbone, so we are vertebrates. Now class, we have mammary gland, so mammal. So all the mammalia, like we have mammary gland, cow have, dog have, camel have, whatever organism you are living, the big organisms, animals you are seeing, they all have mammary gland. So we all are common. Like at this level we are common. We have the common character that we have what? We have mammary gland. At this level, it may be possible some of them have mammary gland, but some they do not have the mammary gland. Like birds, they do not have. Like fish, they do not have the mammary gland. Don't tell about whale. Okay, whale is an exception. That belongs to mammalia. So we will come to later on. So simply what we are doing, we are going to categorize them based on the similarities and the species, similarities and the differences. So if we are at the highest level of category, highest category of classification, maximum number of character will common, right? That's why it is the highest level. Little bit less in the next, less, and least in the species. Like we are Homo sapiens, we are human being. So we have special character, and we are entirely different from all of the other organisms. So the species have the least. If you will see about the definition of the species is the group of organism, those who can interbreed, those who can reproduce among themselves. That is called species. So if the 2 or 4 or 5 types of organism living together, like in a family, like in a village, you can see that. Village is the best example for that. Like different type of organism we are cultivating. Some of the families have, like we have the poultry also, the hen, duck, etc. We have some goat also. We have some cows also, some buffaloes also, and we are of course the human being, the dogs also. So what we have? Human being, cow, dog, and goat, and bird like hen. So these 5 members are in my family. Suppose we have an ecosystem in suppose a small family is here that we are considering as an ecosystem at the entire earth. We think here the 5 type of living organism, the animals are living. What the common among us, we all are animals. What the next common is, we all have the vertebrae, bones we all are bony. Next difference is what? Oh, bird do not have the mammary gland. They lay egg, but but rest of the 4 is giving the birth to the young one. So now classification started. Oh, this bird, this having feathers, they have only 2 limbs, visible 2 limbs, 2 wings it has 2 legs only, but we have 4 legs. So now you can see the differences started. So we have categorized. Now we are starting. Okay, separate this bird. Okay, now coming to the cat and dog and other like dog, goat. Okay, goat. Acha, this is the grazing animal. But and its teeth is also not different type. One category we are saying, like I'm studying one parameter. Okay, it is eating, it is having grasses only. It cannot eat meat. But the dog and us, we can eat meat. Cow and goat are common. Okay, cow and goat are common. But how they are different? Cow can as a general, it gives only one. It gives the birth of one calf only, but the goats have so many offspring at a time. One category we can do. Other thing is what? Acha, good with the cow we have the other type of things are also there, like it is huge in structure, its milk producing capacity is more, but the goat is having small structure, but its morphology is different. So again we have separated. So as we are moving from simpler one, the last one, to the top, from the top to the simple or simple to top, if we will move from the highest level to the lowest level, like we all are animals, we all 5 are animals, and we are moving to the least one, like the smallest one, we all are 5 category. I am human, cow, dog, a goat, that bird, that hen. It is all are individuals. They do not have means they have specific characters. Each and everyone is separated from each other, different from each other. So species is the lowest category of the classification. Now hope you have I think this is the best way to explain the different categories, how generally the students have confusion, sir, how this classification, what is the meaning of this categorization. So meaning of categorization is what? We are moving from a common character to a specific character. If I draw a area for this, like kingdom has, suppose here I am drawing, this is the area, means so many organisms will be present at the kingdom level. If I'll make it like just erase and I'll make. See, this is our category of this is our diversification of the living organism, right? Started from the species. Oh, one species are there. So many species having same type of character, they have grouped into genus. So many organisms belonging to the same genus, oh, they have the similar character also. Okay, keep it together with. So they belong to same family. Now family, the same type of family members have more common character. Now order, wait, I'll draw, otherwise space will less. Order, then class, then phylum, then kingdom. So you can see kingdom is big. Wait, I'll draw according to their area. Kingdom bigger, more number of common characteristics. Then phylum, less number of common characteristics. Then class, oh, still so less character. Now order, again less character. Family, again less character. Genus, oh, so also. And species, it will be so small, so it will not visible. G and S. So you can see, oh, species is the lowest one. this is the lowest. This is having the lowest common characteristics, or you can say that it don't have common characteristics. That's why I have kept these type of organisms has been separated. We are the human beings. These are the dogs. These are the cats. But they all are animals. So this is the highest level of HIGHEST, highest category. So this is the lowest category, that is a species, and kingdom is the highest category. So hope you understood the different categories of taxonomy or taxonomical categories. Just we are going to summarize. Taxonomical categories are nothing but this is the orderly arrangement of different ranks, different categories. Hierarchy means it is in the sequence, either it is in the increasing order or decreasing order. The different taxonomical categories are kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus and species. Species is the lowest category and kingdom is the highest category. As we are moving from the species to the kingdom, the common characteristics will be more, and if we are moving from the kingdom to species, the common characteristics will be less. They are specific in characters. They are having a group of characters. So hope it is clear. In the next class we will study about the taxonomical aids. Different taxonomical aids are there, because to study we need some certain things. So thanks for watching my video. Please like my videos, comment, and please subscribe also, and don't forget to press on the bell icon, so that whenever I'll make the next videos, it will you will get a notification for the updation. Thank you.